Ngayon ang effective na start of TV5's Adulting Era 2.0. Nararamdaman ba ang hype? May hawak akong resibo. Batay sa latest monthly sundry survey, lumabas na ang overall weighted hype levels or OL ng mga upcoming kapatid shows. Mamayang gabi ang premiere ng A Secret in Prague na may OL na 65. Mukhang aktibo ang kuha nila sa Europe, damang-dama ang kilig at mystery. Sumunod naman si My Best Friend Eman na nakakuha ng 60. Bangamat matagal nating hinintay, decent ang score niya. In both cases, may medium high na hype. Teka, move over muna tayo sa taping. The Good Dr. PH adaptation featuring Inigo Pascual is officially in the works. Pero Pat Place, anong OL score niya? 44 lang. Ouch! Maybe it's the pressure of living up to the original Korean version o baka kailangan pa ng mas matinding marketing push. Sa kabilang banda, ang naghihintay ng lahat, Project Loki. Now streaming on Signal Play and Viva One, may premiere na to sa linear TV at kapatid livestream ngayong May. Its hype score, 58. Mataas-taas na rin, lalo na't powerhouse ang fanbase nito. Now let's talk about the talent shows. Dito medyo kailangan mag-effort ang TV5. Ang bagong season ng Artista Academy at ang bagong show, Isayaw Mo, sabay silang nagland sa score na 39. That's a bit low. Siguro medyo pagod na ang audience sa talent shows format to be part of the new Starworks talent or baka we're looking for something fresher. Even the Singing Lodi is struggle to hit the midpoint with a score of 46. Hindi pa siya Lodi level sa hype? So there you have it. Tonight's the big test. Will A Secret in Prague and My Best Friend Emma prove the surveys right? TV5's definitely taking risks with this Adulting Era 2.0 and honestly, we're here for the glow up. Ano sa tingin nyo? Alin dito ang panoorin nyo mamaya? I-comment ang iyong favorite show at huwag kalimutan i-like at i-subscribe for more media updates.